Welcome to the Tube Magic AI system. I'm going to show you step by step how to potentially make money on YouTube with AI faceless channels. And I just want to say first and foremost that you made the right choice. You joined the best program for doing this. You're going to be learning this from someone who actually is doing this with many different channels. Plus I've got thousands of students who are also doing this successfully. And you joined this program because you want to discover exactly how to use AI to potentially make money on YouTube. And that's exactly what the Tube AI system is going to show you how to do. Now, you may have joined this program because you just want to start a semi-passive income stream that can be running in the background, making you money. You may have joined this program because you want to discover how to run a YouTube channel successfully and actually grow it and get a ton of views and subscribers and actually go viral using AI on YouTube. Or maybe you just want to automate your current YouTube channel using AI. It doesn't matter which one of these that you are, but the Tube AI system is going to apply to you, and it's going to show you exactly how to do all of those things. And it doesn't matter, by the way, if you're a beginner or you're advanced in this. Your skill level does not matter. I'm going to be showing step by step exactly for beginners how to do this, as well as if you are more advanced, it's going to help you with that as well, taking it even to the next level. So back in 2019, I was making $30,000 per month in ad revenue from all my YouTube channels. And back then, I did not believe in AI at all. In fact, anybody who asked me about AI, I said, don't use it, it's a waste of time, it's not going to help you. But my opinion on that has completely changed over the past couple of years, and now I make well over $100,000 per month. Plus, obviously, I can't guarantee just by joining this program you're going to make that much. This is going to take work, but trust me, it is so worth it. But now with using these tools, I've been able to scale up to multiple different channels. I've been able to not have to hire as many people too, because we can use AI to do a lot of the work for us. And it's completely changed my business, completely changed everything for me. Here's an overview of the course. We're going to be going over the YouTube system blueprint, how to choose a niche. I'm going to be giving you the best AI niches to do. I'm going to show you how to actually make your channel, how to generate AI content, how to upload and optimize your videos with AI the right way. I'm going to show you the viral formula that almost all videos follow, how to make money and monetize doing this to the next level. I'm going to be sharing some secrets in here with you on how tiny channels are making a ton of money, so you're going to not want to miss that part. I'm going to show you section number 7, the scaling methods to scale this to the next level, running multiple channels, potentially even in other languages you don't even speak. That's coming up in the program. And then also I'm going to show you how to create a feedback loop to almost guarantee getting a ton of views doing this. So this information is incredibly valuable only if you do something with it. So don't let this be another course, another video that you watch. Let this information that you're discovering within this program change your life, because it has the potential to do that. Only if you do something with it. If you don't do anything with it, nothing changes. But if you change and you do something with this, you'll join the legion of other successful students that I've had who've made something out of this program. And that's what I want for you. I sincerely want you to be successful doing this. I'm invested in your success. That's why we offer this program. It's such an insane, no-brainer deal, because I want you to be successful, so selfishly I can get a ton of testimonials and results and everything from it, but also it does make me feel incredibly good when my students succeed, and it gives me a lot of fulfillment. So join that legion of successful students. I want you to be one of them. And now in the next lesson, we're going to be going over exactly how to join the private community, and you are not going to want to miss out on joining the private community. That private community is going to give you so much value. Trust me on it. Please just join that community. I'll show you how to do it in the next lesson. See you there.